Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Confirm the Bgmi UID and the Apple ID email currently linked so you don't lose access. Once done, backup proof of ownership. Take screenshots of your UID, receipts, and settings. Next, go to iOS settings right arrow Game Center and sign out, or toggle off automatic sign-in. This begins the unlinking. Make sure you stay signed into the device with a different Apple ID if you plan to move accounts. This prevents accidental relinking. Once signed out of Game Center, open Bgmi and navigate to Settings Right Arrow Account, Right Arrow Linked Accounts. Attempt the Unlink option for Apple ID. If no direct unlink exists, use in-game support or Help Center to submit a delete or unlink request and include your UID, device model, and proof of ownership. Meanwhile, on your Apple ID page, remove the device or app authorization to prevent automatic reconnection. This two-track approach speeds verification and final unlinking. Finally, wait for the support confirmation that your Apple ID has been unlinked or the account deleted. Then relaunch Bgmi to verify the change. If the unlink fails, respond with full purchase receipts, device logs, and your UID so support can recheck. Clear app cache or reinstall before retrying. Make sure to change your Apple ID password and revoke any active device authorizations if you suspect lingering links, and escalate to platform support if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.